Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information, as you can see it here. Another way is to do it in the menu. So if you press and hold the up button, the menu will open, and at the top of the menu you will see the battery level. And if you want to have a more detailed information, you can always scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Find the option called Power Manager, press start to enter, and here we have the power management option, and basically we have the estimation of the battery life right here. As you can see, it's supposed to last 5 days. And then you can go back to watch face by pressing the back button. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.